Good morning. As always, we are going to start the day with King Bitcoin. I'm really surprised that price has not tested the 38.2 fib just yet. Generally, whenever you see this round shape, that is a topish formation right there. But I would not be surprised to see price action try and test this fib before going back down and verifying support off of the moving 200. It just seems like it has ran too far to not test that fib before heading back down. Yeah, looking at the hourly, I would not be surprised to see a test of that 38.2 fib. We've got an oversold stochastic heading up, and we've got nice green candle structure here. I like it. As we observed in a previous video for Dogecoin, price action has taken off here, and it has run into a little bit of resistance here with the moving 50. Keep in mind, on top of this moving 50 resistance, there is a trend extension up here that I can put back on the charts a little bit later that is also going to act as resistance. So, Dogecoin has a lot over its head right now. On the hourly, we do see our topish M pattern forming here. We have heavy resistance at the moving 200 and a little bit of support, it looks like, from the moving 50. An oversold stochastic RSI that has not crossed just yet. As always, everything depends on Bitcoin price action, but just judging Doge by itself, I would not be surprised to see a loss of this support and price go down further. On the Ethereum 4-hour, price action is kind of off in no man's land here. We do have a breaking of the resistance of the moving 50. We also have an oversold RSI, stochastic RSI right here. Let's jump into the 1 hour and see what's going on here. Alright, so on the 1 hour, we do have a little bit more technical data that we can use. We have price action bouncing off of support from the moving 300, and we've got a golden cross down here, only on the hourly, so take it for what it's worth, but it is a golden cross, and we do have a oversold stochastic RSI that is now heading up. From the bear standpoint, we do have a lower high and a lower low as far as price action is concerned, and as we've seen recently, the price action market structure is much more important than the indicators themselves. Sheba Inu showing some strength here on the 4-hour chart as it busts through the moving 50. We do have an oversold stochastic RSI, so let's jump into the 1 hour and see what this stuff is made of. On the Sheba 1 hour, we do see a testing of resistance on the moving 200, a recovery, and then a breaking of that resistance on the way up. Sheba showing some strength here. I think we need to back test this moving 200 for support before we can move up higher here. The stochastic RSI is trying to enter oversold, so just one of those things to keep an eye on. From a standalone aspect, Sheba is showing some strength, a lot more than what I'm seeing on Dogecoin at this point. Solana 4 hour showing breaking of resistance of all of the moving averages that I track. Solana is just a powerhouse as far as I'm concerned. It is an absolute contender to Ethereum, and I would not be surprised to see it regain its price action independence from Bitcoin and Ethereum at some point pretty soon. Solana showing strong price action on the 1 hour chart. We have support off of the moving 50, a breaking of resistance of the moving 200, 300, finding additional support off of the moving 300, and then breaking resistance of the 200 once again. Stochastic RSI is oversold right now, but I would not be surprised to see a back test for support one more time before heading up. You know the drill, not financial advice, just a guy on the internet.